தலைமுறைகளை தாண்டி தரத்துடன் மீண்டும் தனித்துவம் நிறைந்த கடை ஜிஆர்சி ஜுவல்லர்ஸ் காஞ்சிபுரம். வாடிக்கையாளர் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
And now, our pilots are all set to paint the skies in sarang colors. Unge ane varakku marakka modiyada anubhavta itara nanga ready. Chennai, ninga ready? Let's make some memories together. And now, without further ado, please welcome the brand ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. The team is maintaining the Yodha formation dedicated to all the air warriors as we celebrate the 92nd anniversary of the Indian Air Force. Leading the formation is the Commanding Officer Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra in Sarang 1. Flying right behind him is Sarang 5, followed by number 4. Sarang 2 is vomiting to his left and Sarang 3 is to his right. The co-pilot of Sarang 1 is Squadron Leader Buddhi Sagar Domre. To showcase the might of the domestic defense industry and Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Sarang team soars through the skies in the state-of-the-art, the advanced light helicopter Dhruv. And now get ready to witness the change in formation from the Yodha formation to the English letter I in the sky. And now this I stands for you, me, our motherland, and for these indigenously developed helicopters. And now coming in from your right, Sarangs representing the Atmanirbharta of our nation, the India formation. The pilot in command of Sarang 2 is Wing Commander Chunpriya with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Sachin Govind. The captain of Sarang 3 is Wing Commander Avinash with his co-pilot Wing Commander V. Number Chennai Payyan Wing Commander Gokul Krishnan, our local boys in command of Sarang 4 with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar. And our number 5 is being flown by Tamil Natan Tavapudalvan Squadron Leader Akash, fondly called as Talapati by our team, with his co-pilot Wing Commander Adarsh Thakur. The safety officer for today's show is Flight Lieutenant Ajit, assisted by the videographers. और अब जल्द ही लीडर के आदेश पर आप देखेंगे टीम को डायमंड फॉर्मेशन में. We shall listen out for the leader's call. That was the leader and here is the reaction. Sarangin in the diamond formation anayitha Tamilar galakkum or anba samarpanam. Do not shift your gaze, you are in for a breathtaking surprise. And here goes number 4 pulling up for a stall turn. The Sarangs are performing gracefully in the sky while below the guardians of our seas, the Coast Guard ships, stand watch. What a sight to behold! As the aircraft fly past, you can be with the pilots and wish them luck. Here they are making a short exit and will soon be back in the arena with more thrills. Indian Air Force, potent, powerful, self-reliant. Showcasing these qualities, Sarangs are now positioning for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphins Leap. All three helicopters flying abreast will pull up in the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. Dolphin kadalla paathirpinga. Vaanathilla paathirkinga. Idu ungalakkaga Saranga 1, 2 and 3 for the Dolphins Leap. And as promised, there goes number 4 joining up with the formation. And now a word about the maintenance team who ensures that these 5 birds take to the skies and return safely. The team of the technicians is being ably led by Wing Commander Priyanshu. உலகத்திலே வரை 5 helicopter military display team நாங்க தான சொல்றதுல ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறோம். And on this note, set your gaze straight ahead as the team is rolling in for the crossover break. Both the pairs flying abreast will execute a synchronized banking until their rotors are nearly vertical and crossing in very close proximity. Look straight ahead for the crossover break as we await the leader. Chennai, enjoy maneuvering last. Sarangik urperiya whistle podanga. Everyone now get ready to witness the unmatched precision of our pilots even closer to you. So hold your breath as both pairs will close in towards each other and the pilots will execute a coordinated pitch up, cross each other's flight path with just a hair's breadth of separation. तो अपनी नजरें दोनों ओर बनाए रखें क्योंकि आपकी दाहिनी ओर से आ रहे हैं सारंग 1 और सारंग 3 और बाईं ओर से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सारंग 2 और सारंग 4 लेवल क्रॉस के लिए. It will be a matter of astonishment to you all that while doing these daredevil maneuvers, the aircraft maintains the distance of less than 10 meters. And now coming in from opposite directions as Sarang 3 and Sarang 4 are gearing up to pull off some mind-blowing pair maneuvers. The helicopters will cross head-on and perform synchronized stall turn. Please look straight ahead for high-speed cross. Unity in diversity is India's distinction that trickles down to our team as well. Coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, speaking different languages, we all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front, we present a beautiful pulsating heart to the people of Chennai with love, Sarangs. And there comes our Cupid number 5 from your left, piercing straight through the beautiful Sarang heart. Chennai, in the heart, எங்கள் உலகத்திலிருந்து உங்கள் இல்லத்திற்கு அன்புடன் என்றும் என்றென்றும். Our team boasts of the finest air warriors of the Indian Air Force. An embodiment of professionalism and ethos of the IAF, the Sarang team has consistently stepped up in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions, displaying their unwavering commitment to serve humanity. This was evident once again during the recent floods in southern Tamil Nadu. Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, Dubai, and recently, 15 days ago, the Sarangs performed over the pyramids at the Egypt International Air Show, a truly proud moment for all Indians. Chennai, oratarmana sambhavtarga ninga ready-a? Then please look straight ahead as the team is coming together for a jaw-dropping display of synchronized brilliance. The Sarang split on the soul-lilting tune of Vande Mataram. As the formation splits, the leader will pull up to present a salute to the nation. We shall listen out for the leader's call. So this was Sarang Helicopter Display Team, and to keep up with us, you can follow on Instagram and Twitter handles as Sarang_IAF. I hope younger display உங்களுக்கு நம்ம தளபதி படம் மாதிரி பிடிச்சிருக்கு. சென்னை உங்கள் அன்புக்கு நன்றி.
தலைமுறைகளை தாண்டி தரத்துடன் மீண்டும் தனித்துவம் நிறைந்த கடை ஜிஆர்சி ஜுவல்லர்ஸ் காஞ்சிபுரம். வாடிக்கையாளர் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
மின்னம்பலம்.com தமிழின் முதல் மொபைல் பத்திரிகை.